Let's talk about the teaching of the Quran. The Prophet ﷺ said, the best of you, خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه, is the one who learns the Quran and teaches it. And the Prophet ﷺ, he was a teacher of the Quran. The biggest question is how to teach it. And he was teacher of the Quran. وَيُعَلِّمُهُمُ الْكِتَابِ. He was teaching the Quran. So the question is, how did he teach it? Did he teach alif ba ta tha? Alif fatha a, alif zabara ba zabar ba? Was he teaching that? Of course he was not teaching that. Did he teach rules of tajweed? Idgham, ikhfa, iqlab, izhar, nun sakina, qaida afra, or whatever? Or did he teach Arabic grammar? Madi, mudare, fi'l, fa'ala, yaf'alu? Was he teaching that? Or Arabic vocabulary? No, sir. That was not what he was teaching. Yes, this is part of the hadith, but these are prerequisites for the real teaching of the Quran. These are prerequisites. Let me give you an example. The real teaching of the Quran starts after this. Because the Prophet ﷺ explained the message of the Quran. He showed how to ponder it by reciting it slowly. He interacted with the verses. He used to pray for good when the good things are mentioned. He used to pray for refuge in Allah when the punishments are mentioned and so on. He showed how to implement the Quran.